Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to add Strikethrough in Microsoft Word. Firstly, open your Word document. Click File option, there Word file, and click Home menu. And here you will find this Strikethrough icon. Cross out. Firstly, select your text and click Strikethrough. Already cross out this text and select this and click here strike through. Already strike through. Select text and click strike through. Strike through. And finally click file option, save as your Word document. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.